So, as you can see, I have 34 attack, 35 strength, and 2 defense, sadly, because, I don't know, I was training mage, and I didn't see that it was on the training mage thing. But yeah, I'm just, at the moment, trying to get back down, really just trying to get my attack up to 40 for Road to PK videos, with me and my mates. Fast aspect over here. It's a pretty cool guy, this one. He is also going to be in the Road to PK videos with me and stuff like that. Yeah, I've only got 11 quest points, total level 341. Yeah, it was just